Did I just find another random house? It's off the same road. I don't know if I'm going to be able... Look at that. The Simpsons. Wait for the zoom in. Look at the power plant back there. Let's see if we could check this out. I kind of have a feeling we're not going to be able to get into this one. The front of it looks burnt out though. Like it don't even look like there's a living room or anything in it. Oh, yeah, you can get right in. Oh yeah, this is going to be a short one. Basement. Lots of bird poop. Complete. Oh man, look at this nice tile though. The backsplash. And the mirrored backsplash, mirror tile. That's pretty cool. Completely gutted out. Man, pretty sound in here. What do we got here? Was this a bathroom? No, it was a little closet. There's the front of the house. That's where I came from. That's the coastal highway. Check out this tiny upstairs real quick. Oh, super tiny. Oh my god, so hot. Oh. And that's it. Chimney. Little tiny closet. Oh, I like this. Alright. Well, that was fast. Pretty neato. Oh, this must have been the bathroom. Ooh, a basement. That looks pretty flooded. I think that's water. I don't think I really want to try these stairs. Yeah, I'll try them. Alright. Oh yeah, completely flooded down here. Well, that was cool. Nice. I hate to leave the car running when I do this stuff, but whew, it's all warm. Well, thanks for coming along on this short little explore with me. Or, yeah, yeah. Bye.